accelerating now into a high-speed pass. And breaking away from that into a barrel roll away from us. Turning away from us after those consecutive aileron rolls into another 9G turn, all the while illustrating just what an outstandingly agile machine this multi-roll, indeed swing roll, combat jet is. In towards us once again, the undercarriage down barrel roll. This, of course, the aircraft type responsible for mounting the United Kingdom's Quick Reaction Alert air defence facilities from both this aircraft base at RAF Coningsby in Lincolnshire and further north from RAF Lossiemouth on the Murray Firth. Now slowing the aircraft, pulling it to what's known as high alpha, a high angle of attack, very nose-high attitude for the slow speed pass. There are now 5 Typhoon squadrons stationed at Coningsby. Number 29 Squadron providing this aircraft is the Operational Conversion Unit. There are also numbers 3 and 11 squadrons on the front line. Number 12 Squadron, which is a joint British and Qatari training unit, the Qatari Air Force being one of the latest Typhoon customers. And number 41 Squadron, the Operational Evaluation Unit at Lossiemouth. There are numbers 1, 2, 6 and 9 squadrons. And of course number 1435 flies these aircraft from Mount Pleasant in the Falklands. have the aircraft's upper surfaces presented to us. Pulling initially onto the knife edge, then to invert it, back onto the knife edge. A minus 3G, negative G turn outbound with afterburner engaged. And we could see fuel venting there from near the top of the aircraft's tail fin. Completing a sequence there, that was Flight Lieutenant James Sainty with the Royal Air Force Eurofighter Typhoon FGR-4.